Me again.
Where's the rest of the bangs? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Francia, and today's video I am back with another wig install. Y'all, if you watch my previous video where I did my first install, you'll know that I'm an amateur, but you know, that's not gonna stop me from, you know, testing the waters, because I was an amateur when it came to makeup as well. I couldn't draw my brows for shit. I couldn't do any of that. I couldn't even do a simple lip combo. But with practice, you know, I remember one time I did my makeup so bad I cried myself to sleep because I was just so frustrated. And when I'm frustrated, I cry. Spencer, vlogging, I need you to be quiet. As I was saying, y'all, enough of the blah blah blah, let's get straight into the video. So I got me some wigs from Amazon. I ended up getting two because one of them is black and one of them is brown, and I know I eat brown wigs, but I also love me a black wig as well, so it's like it was a hard decision for me. So we have a brown and we have a black. Which one should I try first? Spencer, which one should I try first? Black or brown? Brace yourself, the wig is about to come off, child. I hope my future husband ain't watching this, because baby, listen, it's part of the game. It's part of dating me. It's part of being with me. You're gonna have to get comfortable with me pulling off my wigs, baby, because listen, I stay under a wig now. I love me a wig. So if you're watching this, I don't know where you are, I don't know who you are, but get used to it, okay? Don't ever say I didn't warn you. Okay, so this is it out of the packaging. This is giving chocolate. Look at that. Oh, scissors? I need to cut things. Look like that. Where's the rest of the bangs? Hey, anyways, trust the process, because I myself am trusting the process. As you can see, I've opened this in front of y'all, so I don't know what it looks like. Look at the wig cap. Anyways. Alright. Okay. Oh, this brown is browning. Oh. What's going on here? Child.
6 hours later.
Wait. Hold on. I'm looking a hot mess right now. I need another source of light because you not understand. Let's comb it out because it's giving wild. And it's short. I didn't think it was gonna be this short. This is 22 inches, y'all. And this is a synthetic hair. I don't know when last I purchased me a synthetic hair, okay? I haven't rocked, it's been years now, but I just wanted a little something for the fall. It's fall now, and I wanted bangs. I've been thinking about bangs for a hot minute. So I'm like, you know what, let me get me a synthetic where, you know, yeah. I can see that my cap is way too down. Maybe we pull it up a little bit. The bangs are too much. Oh, I think it's coming together. I think it's coming together. Not the band. Now I gotta secure it again. I need a band. Now let's brush this out. What do y'all think? Is it giving? The color is like, you see me? I don't do too much. I'm not crazy like you other girls. I keep it cutesy. I keep it very demure. What is it giving though? Like, what's it giving? I wouldn't mind if this was longer, to be honest. All right, next one. Let's go into the black. Let's go into the black one and see what that gives.
Later that same evening.
How much would we rate the brown? How much would we rate it out of 10? 10. Like the position of the bands though, it's like all the way to the front, making it stretch all the way to the back, giving wild. Woo, child, this thing is in my eye. Touching my eye. I'm an amateur, y'all. I'll just go. Spencer. Why are you making so much noise? This is the culprit. Making so much noise in the camera. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, vlog. I'm disturbing mommy from doing her content because I like so much attention. Just hey. Stop it. Stop. Behave. Because what are you making so much noise for? Huh? You got food, you got milk, you got water. What's the problem? What is the problem? Can you tell me what the problem is? Can you tell the audience what the problem is? Why are you making so much noise like you ain't loved at home? Huh? Stop. Because your nails sharp as F and you cutting me and you hurting me. Oh, now you want to cry. Now you won't cry. When I put you down, you better not make me come for you again. Crying all day for no reason. Spencer, stop it. Look, y'all, you see that? I'm so sorry for disturbing mommy and for making her content. I just love so much attention, and I promise I won't make so much noise ever again because she needs to make her content. Mommy just want to be successful. Mommy just want to find her audience, find her people. So I'm so sorry for disturbing her. Disturb mommy again. I won't disturb mommy again. I'm so sorry. I won't disturb mommy again. Cause she needs to make her content. Anyways, where was I? Spencer, stop. You just was begging to go down. Spencer is a freaking headache. I think y'all, like, he don't make it hard for me to consider putting him out on the streets and let somebody have him. He don't at all. Stress me right out. He eating, he crying. He peeing, he crying. He shitting, he crying. He just wanna, and he's obsessed with me. I leave the room, oh, that's it. He gotta be where I'm at. What is this, the black one giving? What's the black one giving? Oh, I just have to see what it looks like, you know, with like full-blown outfits and stuff like that, and I will make an informed decision. Alright, but this was $15 each, £8 each. Well, £12, and the brown was like £9, which is equivalent to like $12 to $15, y'all. So yeah, that would be. Stop it! How do you do layers? Okay, y'all, I don't know how to do it. I don't want to mess the hair up. Do I need like a sharper scissors or something? I cut it. Shit. Okay, probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, probably shouldn't have done that. I probably shouldn't have done that. But now I gotta match it because it's gonna look crazy. I don't know. Why is it going that way? Okay. I don't know. It's giving I probably shouldn't have done that, but this is the look that I wanted when I go for a ponytail. So I'm not sure. Maybe, I'm pretty sure I did it wrong. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. That will be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which one y'all think, like which one looks the best to y'all, because then that will be my, you know, my everyday one for fall, for the fall season. And I'm undecided between black and brown, so yeah, help me, help a girl out, help your girl out. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please ensure that you like, comment, and if you've reached this far into the video, why haven't you subscribed yet? Subscribe, you're just missing out. And smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I will see you in the next one. And in the next video, you will see which of these I'm rocking for this fall season. If it's gonna be the black, or if it's gonna be the brown based, or how it looks in an outfit. And if you guys comment, let me know which one y'all think suits me better. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Come on. Why you got your mouth open like that? Okay. Hey.
Bye, have a great time.